Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by launching VLC and loading the file via Media Convert/Save. Once added, choose Convert and pick a profile. Make sure you click the wrench to edit that profile. You need an output container that supports single audio tracks, such as MP4, H. 264. While editing the profile, set video codec to keep original, then switch to the Audio Codec tab so you can remove or adjust tracks. This gets you straight into the track removal stage. Now focus on the audio settings. In the Profile's Audio Codec tab, uncheck any audio streams you do not want included. If VLC shows options for track selection, choose the single track to keep. Otherwise, disable audio and re-enable only the desired stream. Once done, save the modified profile so VLC uses those exact settings for this conversion. This ensures the output file contains only the audio track you kept, preventing hidden extra tracks from remaining in the finished video. Start the conversion and wait for VLC to finish. Conversion time depends on file size and settings. Once completed, open the output and verify via audio track or by viewing media codec information to confirm only the chosen track remains. If extra tracks persist, reopen your profile and ensure unwanted audio streams were fully disabled, or change the container, MP4 versus MKV, and convert again. If conversion fails, try a brief test clip to iterate quickly and isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.